About the machine safety, there's one part we need to take care. About setting the initial place. So you can check from this view, you can check there's one light, red light is turning. In this position, the machine can set the initial place because in this position, which means the machine is running in the initial position. So this time you can set the initial place. So one place you need to take care. For example, if this menu 能让它转一点嘛，转没转点了。If the machine is turning, so you can check this place is the red light is disappear. So if you want to setting the initial place, this machine not allowed you setting because all these parts are not in the initial place. So this is used to protect the machine. So one more thing you need to take care is if the machine give you warning, which means the machine has a problem. So all these initial places we don't as a reference, we only see here as a reference. Okay, this is very important that you need to take care. See, this red light is turning, so these places you can set, but no need to reference these initial places. So that's all. This is a machine. So another place about the machine safety is here. And do you remember the keynote, the initial place? Initial place is around here to here, around 1 centimeter. This place is the initial place. So never make this place too higher. If you made this place, for example, if this way is like this way, like it's on these places, this pipe is here. So this place is very high. If it is the initial place very high, it will broken the upper place. You can check here. It will broken this place. So don't make it higher. And also don't make it lower. If you make it lower, this chain will lose. There will have some unuseful rotation. So this is also not acceptable. So remember this place is around here and here 1 centimeter. It's around here. So another one is here. Is in these places. You can check there has one axis. So this place we put this one signal. This signal is used to protect this part. So if this big axis is go on back, it will broken this part. So we put one signal. When this axis is get to the maximum places, this one will stop this axis go on back. Because if he go on back, this one will be broken. So this is also used to protect the machine. Another place I want to mention is here. You know, here it's about the rolling and the unloading the rolls. There's one speed reducer. So when you want to unloading the rolls, if the roll is very tight, for example, if the roll is very tight, so this speed reducer will need to so much power to get this one out. So at this time, in order to protect, so you need to get the mesh like this one back, make the mesh a little back, and then you can go on working. So this is the first places. And another one is when the roll is up, when the unloading the mesh, when he go like this way, when he nearly get to that spaces, if you go on fastly, it may touch that places. So the machine when the roll nearly get to that places, the speed will stop, the speed will reduce, and it may stop. So at this time you need to click the button slowly, keep click, not go on click. It means the machine warning you the roll nearly get off. And at the same meaning for this side, when you get on this side, the machine will, when he nearly get to this space, the machine will stop and you need to clip slowly many times. You need to, before using this machine, you need to check your country voltage. This machine voltage is 400 to 450. So if your country voltage always changing, you can put one machine to make the voltage stable. Remember, 400 to 450. So next one is about this ruling and undoing parts. And you can check there has 3 lines. We get 3 lines electricity. Get electricity for this parts. So after you get the electricity for this parts, you need to check whether the turning is right. You can click this. This one means the row will unloading like this way. This will go like this way. So when you click this, it should go like this way. But when you click this one, it's going like this way. So this is wrong because the row will up and load like this way. So if this one is the wrong direction, you can change the lines, the neighbor lines. You can change the turn of this neighbor lines. For example, now the black wire is in the middle and the red wire is in the right side. So you can change this black wire in the right side and the red wire in the middle. So just change the neighbor lines. And then you can test again to check whether the direction changed. And now let me talk about the button also. This one is a mesh unloading. This one is a mesh back. And for this parts we nearly no use. If you want to rolling the mesh, you keep on turning, not click one time. You just keep on turning, it will rolling the mesh.